Cooking a perfect meatloaf, 3 pounds edition.
Hello, dear viewers. Today we're discussing a timeless and satisfying dish, the classic meatloaf. We're specifically focusing on a 3 pounds meatloaf, and our main question is, what is the estimated cooking time for a 3 pounds meatloaf at 350 degrees?
Understanding the basic cooking rule.
When cooking meatloaf, a general rule of thumb is 1 hour of cooking time for every 1 pound of meat at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. This rule is handy and widely applicable, but it's important to remember that actual cooking time can vary based on factors such as oven accuracy, the exact size and shape of the meatloaf, and the specific recipe.
The estimated time for a 3 pounds meatloaf.
So, if we apply the general rule to our 3 pounds meatloaf, we estimate that it would take about 3 hours at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. However, instead of just relying on time, it's crucial to use a food thermometer to ensure that the meatloaf is fully cooked and safe to eat.
When is the meatloaf done?
The meatloaf is fully cooked when its internal temperature reaches 160 degrees Fahrenheit. Remember, even if the meatloaf appears to be done on the outside, the inside could still be undercooked. Always use a food thermometer for the most accurate assessment. There you have it. For a 3 pounds meatloaf, aim for around 3 hours at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. But don't forget to use a food thermometer to ensure that it's thoroughly cooked. We hope this information helps you achieve a perfectly juicy and delicious meatloaf. Happy cooking, everyone!